Shotcut allows you to edit multiple formats of videos, but some format of video are more edit friendly than other. And in Shotcut, S.264 video are most edit friendly. So if you have videos that are not in the format, you can easily convert it out into the S.264 format. And to do that, first of all, you need to bring up the video on the timeline right here. And then once you select out the video, you can go around onto properties for that particular video, as you can see right here. So I'm going to go around onto playlist, select out other video, go to properties. You can see that the one in the timeline itself is still being selected right here, as you can see. So it has to be in timeline, and all you need to do is click on convert, and here you can select the quality of the video right here. So let me just go around, select out good quality, because the higher the quality, the more time it takes for you to convert it. So I'm going to press advanced right here, so you can go around interlace the video, and you can choose, let's say for example, you can override the frame and change the frame rate of the video as well. So let me just go around and not choose this, and you can also convert out color space right here, as you can see. But I'm not going to work around with any of these options. I'm just going to go around and press OK, and what happens is that it opens up the Explorer window right here. So I'm just going to select my desktop and hit the save button, and you can see that conversion has now started, and you can see that it is taking some time. So I'm just going to go around and then skip to the part of the video where the conversion completes. And now you can see that the conversion is almost complete right here, and there you go. The file has been converted, as you can see. And if I were to minimize this file out, you can see that the converted video file is here, which is in MP4 format, as you can see right here. So if I were to close this, I can right click over here and go to show more properties, and you will be able to go to properties right here to see the details about this converted video, as you can see. So it has been converted into MP4 format right here. And that is how you can convert out videos to edit form friendly video format right from Shotcut.